As humans, our goals are different from each other. This means your goals cannot be the same as my own goals, and my own goals cannot be the same as your own goals. So here's what we do. I want you to use the comment section. Tell me, what amount of money do you want to make in crypto by the end of this year? All right. I want you to do it just right away. Type in how much you want to make. Is it $1 million, 100,000, 1,000, whatever it is, just type it in, okay? In a few seconds from now, I'm going to reveal to you one crypto project that can make you $1 million by the end of this year. And all you need to do is take action right away. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I suggest you do so right now so you don't miss any update from me. Guess what? In my next video, I'll be revealing one great crypto project that can generate generational riches for you and your family. And the good part of it is that you may already have known it, but I'm going to reveal mind-blowing tips on why you should go all in that particular crypto project. And if this interests you, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Let's just get it to 1,000 likes, and I'm definitely gonna share the next video. Now, let's go to the big deal. What one crypto project can make you $1 million by the end of this year? Wow, this is huge. $1 million. But the fact is that this is very possible. How? Let me explain. You know, if you're going to be rewarded, if you're going to get more rewards in crypto projects, you actually got to get in early enough and have what we call diamond hands. Diamond hands means that you'll be able to hold the token until it reaches the price you want it to reach. That is your target price. All right. Now, um, let's do some calculations. This crypto project that I'm talking about have 114 million total supply. You know what it means? 114 million total supply. This means that the supply is very limited. And this crypto project already have 3 other crypto projects working under it. And what is that crypto project? I want you to watch this video that I'm going to show right now. All right. This crypto project that I'm talking about is called ECC. It is made from the Ether Connect Finance. Now, why do I think that you can make $1 million from this crypto project by the end of this year? Well, there are a lot of facts surrounding this. For instance, I need to show you what ECC is all about. Let me show you from their website what it is all about. All right, this Ether Connect coin is going to be listed on Uniswap on the 25th of August. 2021. And mind you, the initial price of this coin was $0.1. This was the price that we bought it at private sale. And now, as I'm talking to you, it's no longer $0.3. It has risen up to $0.6 in private sale. And over 78 million coins has been sold. Now, on the 25th of August, this coin will be listed on Uniswap at the price of $1. Okay, so why do I think it's gonna make you $1 million if you invest in it? All right, this ECC is the governance coin of, in fact, it's a kind of a launch pad for so many other coins. For instance, one of the coins that was launched by EtherConnect called the EIFI was listed at the price of $30, and because the community is so large and there are a lot of projects surrounding this coin, can you imagine that this coin moved from $30 to 370 something dollars within a few weeks? Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's open CoinMarketCap and check it out. All right, so right here I'm gonna type in EIFI. All right, here is the coin. Currently at $84. So remember, when I was starting this video, I asked you to type in the comment how much you want to make. So look at it here. Somewhere around July, somewhere around okay, let me change the time frame so that it's gonna help us. Let me put it to 7 days. Oh shit, my network is too poor. All right. Okay. It's not showing me everything I needed to see. Okay, this is not showing me everything I needed to see. Okay, let me put it to all so that it's gonna show everything. All right, so as you can see here on the okay, the price got to over $321 on the 22nd of July. Now, why did it go to that extent? This is because of the massive community. Do you know that the community behind EIFI is over 200,000 people in the Telegram group. Now, apart from the Telegram group, there are also the Twitter and all that. Now, I want you to research about this ECC. Remember, like I told you earlier, the coin is limited, only 114 million, and over 78 million has been sold at a cheaper price. This means once it is listed, a lot of people will want to buy in. And if you are one of those people who come in early, I'm sure you're going to make it huge. Now, one other thing why this is very important is that those people who bought at the early stage, like myself, we are not able to withdraw because we staked the coin. You understand? So when it is listed on Uniswap, we can't withdraw and sell, which is one of the reasons why the coin price is going to go high. All right, so how much do you say you wanted to make from this before the end of this year? Let me get a calculator so that we can check exactly how much of this coin you need to make that amount. Let's say you want to make 1 million. This is $1 million. All right, now one coin is $1, right? If you're able to buy at the rate of $1, how much of this coin do you need to make $1 million? All right, let's do it this way. At what price do you want to sell? The price prediction for ECC is $500 by the end of this year. So this means that if you want to sell at $400, you will be needing to divide your 1 million divided by $400. That will give you $2,500. This means you are going to invest $2,500 into this coin, and once it gets to $400, you're already a millionaire. And if you're looking at 100,000, if you're looking at 100,000 and you want to sell at $400, this means you need only 250 of this coin. And if you are looking at 1,000 and you want to sell at $400, you only need only 2.5 of this coin. And how much is 2.5? That's $2.5. Do you get it? All right, so remember, whatever I'm telling you right here are for educational purposes. I want you to go out there, do your own research, get ready to buy that coin on the 25th of August 2021. And so whatever I'm telling you here, they are not financial advices. I want you to do your own research, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so right now, and give this video a thumb up and share with your friends, because we are fighting against poverty and not each other. Bye.